Okay, this is my electric drum kit set up in my home studio. This is the DTX, or the Yamaha DTX900. It's a really nice kit. I can't recommend it enough. It is expensive. It's the top end of Yamaha's range. But just to answer a question to a Udemy student online, it does have some really cool features. So the silicon heads are really responsive, similar to an acoustic kit. And when you get up to using a cross stick or rim clicks, you get that different sound when playing that technique, as opposed to playing a normal hit of the drum in the center. So you get those two different sounds. You also get a third sound of a rim shot. Which is a subtle difference there. Rim shot. Normal stick hit in the center of the drum. Okay, so that's the snare drum. Also, you can turn off or change the snare response that you would have on the bottom head of, or the snare head of an acoustic drum. So this little dial here, so clockwise, you get a really short response. You can hear how that's shortened that sound and tighten the drum. Counterclockwise, get a bit of a longer note. And then all the way round counterclockwise, they'll eventually turn off. So no snare response, as you would turn the snares off on an acoustic kit that replicates that sound. Turn those back on. So that's the snare drum, very clever, good electronic instrument there. The cymbals, also quite clever. You can get different sounds out of the cymbals. So this is the ride cymbal. It's probably the best cymbal to demonstrate this. So you've got the bow, the bell, and you've got the edge. So you've got three different cymbal sounds. So that is the Yamaha DTX 900.